o'clock. The Local 10 News First Cast starts right now.
Our team coverage turns to Local 10's Ian Margol.
He joins us live from Nicholas Children's Hospital in Southwest Miami-Dade with more on the distribution process right here in Florida. Ian.
So despite the CDC and the FDA both saying they are safe and effective for kids, Florida was the only state in the country not to pre-order these vaccine doses, which has significantly slowed down the distribution to doctors here in our area.
We know historically vaccines are very safe.
After the Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control gave the thumbs up, COVID vaccines from Moderna and Pfizer were officially authorized for kids as young as 6 months old.
Thanks for coming, guys.
But Governor Ron DeSantis claimed they pose a health risk, and the State Department of Health recommended against shots for kids, contrary to the medical opinions and recommendations of experts from around the country. So, unlike the 49 other states in the U.S., Florida did not pre-order the vaccines, slowing down the distribution of them to medical professionals in our area.
There was a little bit of a delay in the state of Florida. Obviously, we're going to be delayed in administering some of the medications.
Dr. Guillermo de Angulo says the recommendation by the American Academy of Pediatrics and most doctors is to vaccinate children, and that generally vaccines are very safe. The practice he works with, Kids Medical Services, has ordered the vaccines themselves, but they don't know when they'll be getting them. Meanwhile, he says they're still hearing from parents who are hesitant.
I've heard anything from, it can cause the platelets to drop. I've heard everything about, this can cause sterility. Well, the bottom line is, we also really don't know what the virus can cause long term. Just because you were vaccinated doesn't mean that you can't get the virus. We've seen that. But what we have seen is that a high majority of the patients that have gotten very sick, critically ill, were not vaccinated.
So I can tell you right now, Nicholas Children's Hospital and Jackson Memorial, and also up in Broward County at Joe DiMaggio, all of them are working on putting together their plan. Here at Nicholas and at Joe DiMaggio, they've actually already ordered theirs. They're just waiting for them to come in. CVS tells us they will begin giving out shots to kids as young as 18 months, so a year and a half old and older, starting tomorrow. The best thing you can do is go online and make an appointment with them, or check with your pediatrician to see when those shots will be available. Live at Nicholas Children's Hospital, I'm Ian Margol, Local 10 News.